Welcome back to Soy Crypto. This is a quick video to show you how to qualify for the Yaka Finance airdrop that they have said is already coming. They are building out a DEX and a launchpad, and they seek to be the native liquidity hub for SEI. And then if you scroll down, you can take a look at this information here. It says, dive into swap and liquidity activities, earn points, light up badges, and climb the leaderboard. Engage now for a chance to score future Yaka airdrop rewards. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. Nothing I say is financial advice. Everything is risky in crypto. Please do your own research. If you were to click on this link, it'll take you to the Yaka Finance app. So they're currently in Testnet and looking for users to go ahead and help them out with testing it out. And in return, they've already said that you can earn points for the airdrop. So the first thing you're going to want to do is connect your Compass wallet. And I went ahead and set up a new wallet just in case, right? And loaded it up with a little bit of SEI. So I'm going to connect my wallet, which I've done here. You're going to get a pop-up to go ahead and sign the transaction to connect it. Again, I recommend anytime you are doing something on a new app to use a wallet that is specifically for that and doesn't have NFTs or other things in it. So once you've connected your Compass wallet, next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Faucet. And so what we need to do is request a small amount of SEI. Basically, it's going to give you test SEI to use on the testnet. So click connect wallet. And then I'm using Compass. It's going to say connecting to Compass. It's going to ask you to go ahead and connect and then connect your Discord, authorize. It's going to say enter a destination wallet. So go ahead and open your Compass wallet. Click on receive, copy that. Paste it here, click next. These testnet tokens will never be exchangeable for mainnet tokens in any way. Click request SEI. It says your request has been added to the queue. It says your funds have been sent. You can view the transaction here. So you can view it on SEIScan. It says success. Okay, so let's go back to Yaka Finance app and let's go to swap. And you can see that we have a balance of 5 SEI, right, on testnet. Again, these are just testnet SEI. This is what we need to start qualifying for the airdrop, right? Again, if we go to airdrop, you can see that we have 0 points, right? We want to gain as many points as we possibly can. So let's just do that by going to swap, and let's change this to SEI, and we'll swap for some Yaka. So let's just say 1 SEI and swap. Go ahead and approve the transaction. You can take a look at it. Again, these are just test transactions, but it's a good idea to start getting familiar with SEIScan. Same thing as like Etherscan or SolScan. So we can see success. Right now we have a balance of this much Yaka and that much testnet SEI. Let's go to airdrop, and you can see our points have already updated. We have 10 points now. So let's do it again. Let's go to swap and let's swap again some SEI for Yaka. Let's just say 1 and swap. Approve transaction. Okay, so now we have this much Yaka, we have this much SEI. Let's go to airdrop, and now you can see we have 20 points. Let's do one more example. Go to swap. So now let's swap some 0.1 Yaka for that much SEI. Let's hit swap, approve the transaction. Okay, let's take a look at airdrop. You can see now we have 30 points. All right, so you get the idea of how you can build up your points, right, to qualify. My guess is more points you have, potentially the larger airdrop, larger size that the airdrop will be for your wallet. One other thing you can take a look at as well is if you go to liquidity and then go to pools, you could play around in here as well with entering some of these pools. My guess is that will also give you points for the airdrop. So that's how you can dive in right away and start qualifying for this Yaka Finance airdrop that they said is already coming. Couple things I would recommend. Number 1, jump into their Discord to get more information about Yaka Finance and different ways you can qualify for the airdrop, and then also follow them on X. So if this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leave a like for more SEI content and more in-depth crypto tutorials. See you in the next video.